Hey guys, Andres here. Today we are going to go over how to clean the battery terminals in your car. And as you can see, it's time to get this done in my car. Here are the items that we are going to need for this job. First thing we're going to do is remove the terminals from the battery. Before applying the battery cleaner, let's read the directions. It's time to clean your car terminals with a metal brush. In my case, I'm going to do the cleaning process just one more time to make sure everything is as clean as possible. There are a few different products that you can use to prevent corrosion and to make sure that your terminals stay clean. In my case, I'm using this type of gel, which is oil-based, and as you can see here, it's sticky, and we're going to be using this brush and just apply it to our terminals. In the directions of this product, it says it's safe to put anywhere the terminals are touching metal, so I'm going to apply it everywhere. Something good to know is that this oil should never fully dry, making the terminals always appear a little wet. It's time to put everything back, turn on the car, and we are done. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good one.